to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our old school fried chicken wings, everybody. Yes, okay. Old school means way back in the day, okay, like in the 70s and 80s. These were the original seasonings that we did use back then. Seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic salt, garlic powder, and some pepper, everybody. This is how we do it the old school way. You know, Grandmother, that has been the original, the best way for fried chicken. Yes. Nothing else fancy. We season it very, very well, as you see right here, but it's not all salt right there. Remember, we have garlic powder and onion powder. That's the white stuff. Yes, so basically it's all about the flavor. Yes, the flavor, everybody. You know, less salt, but more of the actual kick of flavor. Now, we go ahead and put it into a nice bag, okay? We can use a brown bag or a plastic bag. We always recycle our bags that we use and we get from the store. But anyway, it's going to be deep fried in hot oil anyway, kill all the bacteria. Whatever you want to think about, okay? Don't even go there, okay? So we have the seasons here. We mix them all up by hand, making sure everything is all incorporated and nice. We put it in some flour in here, just regular all-purpose flour, and we can shake it around. We want it really coated nicely, just like this right here. This is perfect. Just perfection. You want to make sure that it's all coated white. Yes, exactly. All your chicken has to be coated evenly in flour, everybody. A lot of flour on your chicken, okay? Then we bounce some of the flour off because you don't want it in your skillet that much. And we put it into some hot vegetable oil, everybody. We use our chicken oil more than 4 times, so don't be tripping, asking like, oh, it's dirty. Hush your mouth, okay? You have to have a black kettle skillet, which is a cast iron skillet. If you don't have one, it's perfectly for you to invest one, because I know that it will last you forever. Yeah, this one has actually been around for 2 generations. Actually 3. You're actually right. Yeah, the children and everything. Yes. So I just want to say these kind of skillets last forever, and they cook very nice. Now, we have one side that is hotter than the other side. For some reason in our kitchen, it's the left side. So after we let it cook for 10 minutes, everybody, we're going to go ahead and turn it over. Now, the fire is about a medium high. That's how we have our chicken, okay? Now, we're going to flip every single piece over. And this is how you have perfect chicken, everybody. You don't want to burn your chicken, okay? You don't want to have it flaming on too high. But this is how we do it. Now, you bring it to the church. Everybody's, oh, this is some perfectly golden brown chicken. That's how you want it. You want to have good praise about your chicken. You don't want the chicken to be dried out and crispy and too hard and crunchy and dried out. We want it nice and crispy and crunchy, but moist in the middle, everybody. That's how we do it. I remember when Pearline made that chicken at the church. Oh, I do. That chicken was horrible. I said, where's the salt and stuff at? She said, I use no salt. She said, I said, well, what is your idea of no salt? She says, no, nothing. I said, girl, you cannot fry no chicken like that. People talk about her like a dog for about a year, okay? You don't want to bring no bad chicken to the church, everybody, and to the picnic, to the function, to the parties, or whatever. So another 10 minutes, we went on to flip these over. Now, look how golden brown everything is. See, even though we have enough oil that's covering up our pieces of chicken, everybody, you still just want to kind of turn it over, just for another additional, about another 5 minutes, we're good. So I just want to make sure the chicken is done inside. This is 5 minutes later. We're going to go ahead and take it out, put it onto a nice paper towel laid out there so it can nicely drain, everybody. You don't want to have no greasy chicken, okay? You want to drain the grease off. Be more healthy on that side, right? Even though it's in vegetable oil, we're good. All right. So, yes, you can use canola oil. Some people do that, but I think it's a little bit more heavier for the chicken. Some people use peanut oil. It doesn't even matter. So, it doesn't matter. Whatever floats your boat, that's what you go. Okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and take all this out. This is how our chicken looks when it's completely done and cooled off and everything. Isn't that beautiful? And then you go ahead and put it on a nice plate. Now, we have it arranged for our NFL day, and we're going to show you guys how to make some dip with that. But look at that nice chicken. Excuse the fingernails. It was time for granddaughter to go get her nails done. I did. I know, right? So anyway, but here's the nice dip. We're going to go over that next. Follow us on YouTube for a lot more that's coming soon. Don't that look delicious? Oh, yes. Make sure you guys follow us on our YouTube channel for a lot more. And we also have our cookbooks on Amazon.com.